In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Outlook you have. Knowing which version of Microsoft Outlook you're using can be very helpful, especially when following tutorials, troubleshooting issues, or making sure your software is up to date. Different versions may have slightly different features or layouts, so it's always a good idea to check this information when needed. Let's go through the process together in a clear and simple way. To begin, open your Microsoft Outlook application. You can do this by clicking the Outlook icon on your desktop or by searching for it in your Start menu and selecting it from the results. Once Outlook is open and fully loaded, you'll see your inbox or main dashboard on the screen. Next, look toward the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This will take you to a different section where you can access account settings, application information, and various configuration options, the Tune. File tab is essentially where Outlook stores all the important background details about your account and software. After clicking on File, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, select the option labeled Office Account. This section contains information about your Microsoft Office setup, including product details and update settings. Once you're inside the Office Account section, move to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find an option called About Outlook. Go ahead and click on it. A new window will appear, displaying detailed information about your Outlook application. In this window, you'll be able to see the exact version of Microsoft Outlook you're currently using, along with additional details about your Office installation. This information is especially useful if you need to confirm compatibility, follow version-specific guides, or communicate with technical support. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly identify your Outlook version whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.